Hi, hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to go advanced startup. Step by step, follow the steps. First step, go to the search bar, search the settings, click to open. You select the system. You scroll down for you see the recovery option. Click to open. You select the advanced startup. You click to the restart now. This is the first step. Second step, go to the Windows icon. You click to the restart for shift to press restart. You click to going to advanced option. Okay. Third step, go to search bar, search the CMD. You click the run as administrative. Click to yes. You type of shutdown space slice or space slice O. Click to enter. You about your sign out. You go to advanced option. Okay friends, thank you for watching.